Today we're diving into Bazzite, the operating system that's already convinced over 730,000 people to ditch Windows in 2025. But what makes it so appealing? And is it really worth leaving the system most of us have been using for years? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about performance. Bazzite is designed to be fast and lightweight. Boot times are noticeably shorter than Windows, and multitasking is smooth even on mid-range hardware. Users frustrated with Windows' tendency to slow down over time will find Bazzite refreshing. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks feels seamless, and background processes don't eat up resources unnecessarily. For anyone who's experienced the frustration of lagging computers, this alone is a huge reason to consider switching. Now, the interface. Bazzite takes a modern, clean approach. Unlike Windows, which has tried to evolve over decades, Bazzite starts fresh. The layout is intuitive, menus are straightforward, and navigation feels natural. For users who love to customize their system, Bazzite offers extensive options. Everything from themes and colors to shortcut keys and workspace layouts can be tailored to your preferences. You can make it look and work exactly the way you want without fighting the system. Security and privacy are another strong point. Bazzite includes built-in privacy tools that limit tracking and reduce exposure to malware. It has fewer background services running by default, which not only improves performance, but also minimizes potential security risks. For users who are concerned about data protection or want to avoid the constant updates and vulnerabilities that Windows sometimes struggles with, this is a major advantage. However, no OS is perfect. Compatibility is something to consider. Most mainstream apps, browsers, and productivity tools run fine, but niche or older software might require workarounds or alternative versions. Gamers might also need to check if their favorite titles are fully supported. That said, Bazzite's growing user base means developer support is improving rapidly, and each update makes compatibility smoother. Another interesting aspect is community and support. Because Bazzite is newer and smaller than Windows, the community is tight-knit, and users actively share tips, fixes, and customization ideas. Official support is responsive, and many problems can be solved quickly with community guidance. This is something Windows users often miss. Having a dedicated and helpful community makes a big difference, especially when switching to a new system. So, is Bazzite worth it? For many users, yes. It's fast, efficient, and secure, with a clean and customizable interface. It's ideal for people tired of Windows bloat, constant updates, and privacy concerns. If your work relies on mainstream apps or you mostly browse, stream, or do productivity tasks, Bazzite can feel like a breath of fresh air. However, if you depend on very specialized software or certain older programs that haven't been fully adapted yet, it's wise to test it first before making the full switch. That said, the fact that over 730,000 users have already made the leap in 2025 shows there's real momentum here. Bazzite proves that alternatives to Windows aren't just niche experiments, they can be serious, reliable options. In conclusion, Bazzite is more than just a new operating system. It's a glimpse into the future of personal computing. Fast, secure, and highly customizable, it's capturing the attention of hundreds of thousands of users worldwide. If you've been frustrated with Windows, it's worth giving Bazzite a try. And even if you stick with your current system, it's fascinating to see what a modern OS can offer in terms of speed, design, and security.